Parenting is a lifelong commitment that can often feel overwhelming. Even when we're supported by family and friends, it's still easy to feel like we're coming up short. And just when we think we have figured it out, our children enter a new developmental phase, and it requires that we adjust our approach. At Wu Yi, we believe that no parent should have to go it alone. Parents need a partner who understands their many challenges, listens to their aspirations, and supports them along the way.
Children are more likely to thrive when their families have the support that they need. Having a healthy, safe, and loving environment is crucial to a child's early development. At Wu Yi, we believe that by supporting and building a family's 5 protective factors, we can help achieve better outcomes for children. Just like baking a cake, it takes all the essential ingredients in order to thrive.
Understanding your own child's temperament, what they struggle with, and who they are as individuals are some of the keys to positive parenting. The more you understand your child as the unique individual they are, the more you can create a deeper connection.
我認為家長了解兒童發展好重要咧。其實因為家長係小朋友嘅第一任老師啦，咁喺家長身上咧，其實即係小朋友都學到好多嘢，因為家長係最好一個好榜樣，做任何嘢佢哋都喺家長身上學，了解到每一個小朋友個性格咧，其實可以你可以引導佢或者可以教啲小朋友，即係佢哋需要邊方面需要邊一方面係佢哋需要學習啊，咁你會對佢哋會增加佢哋嘅自信心啦。
Hemos emigrado para acá para darle un mejor porvenir a nuestros hijos, mejor educación y mejor seguridad. Pues de repente uno de adulto puede vivir ciertas cosas, puede acomodarse a ciertas situaciones, pero a veces para los niños es lo más difícil. Entonces, que ellos nos hayan ayudado a conseguir un lugar donde estar y que nuestros hijos estén mejor, es lo mejor que a nosotros nos ha pasado. Y también que ellos nos han ayudado a ver qué organizaciones ayudan para tal cosa y que nosotros no sabíamos porque nosotros no somos de aquí.
Emotions are a part of everyday life. Social and emotional learning impacts children's ability to build healthy relationships, helps them do better in school, and leads to better outcomes as adults. Validating and modeling healthy emotions for children helps them understand and name how they feel. It also builds social competence and the understanding of others.
我覺得點解呢個兒童嘅社交情感發展對我哋點解咁重要呢？因為如果你多啲屋企多啲親子嘅活動咧，就可以令到你了解小朋友多啲啦，而小朋友亦都通過親子活動，亦都了解到家長對於佢嘅期望，即係邊啲行為係媽媽所期望㗎，同埋邊啲行為係媽媽唔中意小朋友做㗎。咁我覺得呢個社交情感咧，就通過親子活動咧，可以帶動小朋友佢嘅性格啊、責任感啊，即係各方面嘅發展。對於以後佢出到嚟社會嘅發展都好關鍵同埋好重要咯。對於我對呢個育兒嘅知識嘅了解咧，我就會即係當我個女啊，我遇到呢個情緒問題嘅時候咧，我會盡量叫佢用言語去表達出嚟俾我聽咯，話依家我喺呢一刻我唔開心啊，或者我係因咩事唔開心啊，或者呢一刻我係好開心啊，我係因咩事好開心咁，即係會盡量要佢用言語表達出嚟。如果佢喺佢用言語表達唔到嘅時候咧，我會盡量攞個圖，即係張白紙俾佢，盡量攞個圖畫畫出嚟俾我聽，話佢而家嘅心情係處於咩嘢嘅情況咁樣咯。我認為咧喺教育子女嗰陣時咧，如果家長係抱住一個積極同正面嘅態度咧去教育佢嘅咧，係好重要嘅。
We all face challenges as parents. Our ability to cope and bounce back from challenging times is known as resilience. Seeking and asking for help from our friends and professionals in the community we trust is important to maintaining our own mental health and resilience.
啱啱嚟到美國嗰陣時，對住啲語言環境好唔習慣，好多都係會講英文，好多嘢都係英文寫住，因為自己本身係睇中文嘅，呢個係非常之唔習慣嘅一件事。同埋住都好唔習慣，住嘅時候屋企響中國嗰陣時，哇！真係自己一間屋，但係喺呢度咧就要同人哋分享啲廁所啊、洗手間啊，同埋煮嘢食嘅地方，所以咧就呢個真係有少少唔一樣嘅地方，自己接受唔到嘅嘢。同埋冇一個自己可以傾心事嘅朋友啊，同埋屋企人喺度，除咗我老公，所以咧有少少呢個係我最大個問題嚟到美國嘅時。直到我哋隔離屋有個佢都係一個新生嬰兒嘅媽媽，佢咧就介紹我嚟到會在家庭支援中心呢度。佢話呢度會有好多資源會幫到你，好似揾小朋友玩托兒同埋玩屋同埋好多其他嘅資源咯，可以幫到我咯。而且咧，我參加咗之後咧，就會向呢度識到好多個朋友，佢哋提供咗好多唔同嘅資源俾我，可以等我去認識呢個新個環境，沙蘭市呢度呢個新嘅環境，然之後咧就可以用呢啲環境，我可以去參觀呢個沙蘭市。
Compass is a great experience. It's been a huge help down to any necessities that we need. Whenever we need them, they're always here for us. They tell you where you can go if you need hot food, where you can go if you need a shelter. It's given me a lot of access to a lot of places. Compass has been giving me resources to go places where they can give me services and I don't need my Medi-Cal.
Como Compass ha ayudado a mi familia y a mí, es indescriptible el apoyo que nos ha brindado en todos los aspectos, en todas nuestras necesidades que tenemos, ha sido para bien, para mejorar, y por nuestros hijos nos ha brindado ayuda con nuestros niños, con alimentos, que nos estén ayudando a conseguir un lugar donde estar, y nos están ayudando también para tener nuestro propio hogar, nuestro propio lugar donde nosotros podamos estar mucho mejor, más cómodo con nuestros niños.
Mental wellness is also a part of physical wellness. Self-care is a way of taking time out for yourself, to have personal time to go to the gym, make a doctor's appointment, or just spend time with a close friend. Our bodies and minds are interconnected, and when one is neglected, the other is impacted as well. Adequate sleep, healthy foods, play, and connections to the outdoors all help us to find balance in our life. When parents are well balanced, the whole family benefits.
自我照顧點樣咁重要咧？如果我自我照顧咧，我照顧好自己嘅健康啦、身體啦，咁我就可以照顧好個家人啦，或者其他人同埋朋友同埋帶到好多正面個教育俾我個小朋友咯。一般我咧就係第一就係有健康嘅生活啦，譬如食啲健康嘅嘢啦，同埋有充足嘅睡眠啦，有定期嘅運動啦。第二就係識啲新嘅朋友啦，又譬如可以加入會議小組舉辦嗰啲活動啦。咁第三就係可以揾個點樣可以有個方式放鬆自己，譬如做瑜伽按摩或者出去散步嗰啲都係一個好放鬆嘅個方式嚟嘅。
You probably heard the phrase, it takes a village to raise a child. Forming connections with other parents, teachers, and community members can help us feel relieved when we're stressed and remind us that we are not alone. Building a network of supportive relationships help us to avoid feeling lost and isolated.
我第一次了解會議咧，係大概7、8年前咧，我個女
幾個月嗰時咧，我就第一次參加會議啲育兒講座。我除咗參加育兒講座之外咧，我仲參加咗會議嘅黃昏組會議同埋嗰啲家長行動組仲有家庭會議家庭托兒等等。我喺呢啲活動中咧，我認識咗好多朋友。可以講咧，我啲朋友基本都係喺參加會議啲活動認識嘅。當聽到身邊有啲人想了解托兒同埋即係家庭方面育兒之類嗰啲信息咧，我都會介紹會議俾佢哋。因為會議咧有好多唔同類型嘅家庭需求咯。
Pues para mí como madre siento que es un excelente programa para las familias, ¿verdad? Para las familias que quieren hacer las cosas bien, para las familias que a veces no encuentran oportunidades de salir adelante, a veces es bien difícil venir a un país que no es el de uno y no tener como familia y como personas cercanas a uno, pero siento que la organización nos apoya como eso, como una familia para nosotros. Y sabemos que cualquier cosa que a veces necesitamos, podemos platicar en confianza con ellos y ellos nos pueden decir, oh, mira, sí, podemos hacer tal cosa por ti o tal cosa. Es como un familiar para nosotros, es como algo muy cercano para nosotros.
All children need the best start. When parents are worried about not meeting their basic needs, stress can start to build up and impact the family. Living in unsafe neighborhoods or not having enough food on the table can greatly impact how a parent can cope with the challenges of caring for their family. Family resource centers can provide both information and resources that will help you meet some of the needs of your family and yourself.
我之前佔屋個情況呢，非常非常之糟糕，因為點講啦，我係住緊一個散房嘅話入邊，然之後我入邊咧係40戶人家，然之後大家共用廚房啦、沖涼房啦、廁所咁，然之後我隔離嗰個鄰居咧係一個老人家，然之後佢有精神病添，咁所以咧嗰陣時候我覺得一個咁嘅細路仔喺嗰度生活咧。嗰個環境咧，我哋都非常非常之好大壓力咯。咁後嚟咧，咁因為家庭聚樂資源中心嗰度咧，佢哋都有嗰啲要申請房屋㗎，咁佢哋有好多方面嗰啲資料，然之後我就喺嗰個中心嗰度咧，經過嗰啲職員介紹咧，咁我就攞咗嗰個房屋，當然唔係話一次兩次就可以攞到，我都特別多謝所有家庭資源聚樂中心嗰啲所有嘅職員，辛苦晒佢哋啦。
FRCs offer a wide selection of programs and services to support families wherever they are in their parenting journey. Culturally sensitive, multilingual staff are on hand to help walk families through the many challenges that parents often face through child development classes, parent-child playgroups, peer support groups, parenting classes, referrals to meet basic needs, and much more. FRCs were created with the understanding that parents and caregivers know what is best for their family. We serve as a helping hand to connect families to the services that can help build and strengthen their protective factors.
Strong families help build strong, thriving communities. When our families are stressed or challenged due to inadequate food, housing, and other vital resources, we deeply understand the impact. Family resource centers were created with just this in mind. There is an FRC in your neighborhood to serve you. Take time to find out where the closest one is to your home.